In this video, we're going to go over 3 products that you can laser cut, laser engrave, sell, make a bunch of money, and this will let you quit your 9-to-5, your full-time job. Okay, for the first one, it's personalized ornaments. And I didn't say Christmas ornaments because did you know that there are people out there that leave a tree up all year long and they put ornaments on it for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Easter, Valentine's Day? They decorate that tree for everything. They decorate it for Ohio State, Michigan football games, for NFL championships and Super Bowls and things. Did you know that? So personalized ornaments. We, and my wife and I, we love doing Thanksgiving and Christmas. Actually, it's the big 3, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Every year, that's where we make the most money in our business. But the Christmas ornaments, the personalized Christmas ornaments, that's the biggest seller of them all. So, an example here is it's an ornament. It's about 4 inches in diameter. So it's wood, has a back, has a front. The front has the design on it. It's going to have their name. It could be a family last name or it can be a first name. So you can get one for the entire family, or you could do one for each individual member of the family. And then each one will have their first name or a nickname or something like that. So personalized ornaments, that's number 1 on the list. Number 2 on the list, personalized home decor. So same thing, just not ornaments. It's going to be like a wood door sign or a something that you put on a table. You can put it in the bathroom. For instance, I have something that I just made and it's hanging. You can hang it in the bathroom, and it says it's like a cute little sign. It's 10 by 10, and it has a roll of toilet paper, but the toilet paper is like on its last sheet, and then the saying says, "I hope you checked." Like, it's supposed to be funny if you're already sitting down and you're looking at it and you're like, "Oh, did I check?" type thing. So because everybody hates, you've had to open the door and yell out and say, "Hey, can you bring me some toilet paper?" So anyways, it's just something funny. Another one would be like something to put on a table when you first walk in the front door. And then a lot of us have a table to the left or the right. And then there's like decorations on it. And then for us, we have this sign, of course, that we made, and it says our last name. And then it says a little cute sign, saying or whatever. And then there's other things where you have a big sign. It's like 20 by 36. And then it says something. You hang it in the dining room. Like those type of things. That's the personalized home decor. Okay, and then we have the unique personalized earrings. So we do dangly earrings and we do stud earrings. And then we do different styles. We do 2 styles actually. So we do an unpersonalized one and then we do a personalized one. So here's an example. I just designed and created these moose earrings. And actually they're reindeer earrings because I wanted to do something for Christmas, because Christmas is where you make the most of money for the most part. And that's just nationwide. You make most money Christmas. That's all retail stores and everything. So anyways, we got reindeer earrings. They're unpersonalized. They're just a reindeer, red nose, and have like antlers and things like that. They're stud earrings. They're not dangly, but we could make some dangly ones. Actually, I just got that thinking I should make some dangly ones too, because not everybody likes stud earrings. So anyways, that's an unpersonalized earring. It's just a reindeer. Now, on the other hand, we have sport earrings. So volleyball, softball or baseball, football, and basketball. And then here's the thing. The shape of it is in the shape of a ball, but it's split in the middle. And then it's holding on by like 3 jump rings. So the top half of the ball is held together to the bottom half of the ball with 3 jump rings. Now that top, we designed it so that it's like striped like a basketball or striped like a soccer ball or volleyball, we have baseball too. And then the bottom is it's either a clear acrylic with actual baseballs on it or actual footballs on it or basketballs. And then in the middle at the top, in the middle of that shape says mom or something. Or it says the player's number, or it says the player's name, and whatever it is, it just personalizes it. So, and that makes people want to buy it more, for one. And then for two, you charge more money. You charge more money for things that are personalized. So those are the three things. Those are the three products that I would start with now and get really good in it. And in those three products alone, I am confident that those will allow you to quit your 9-to-5 job, or for you to go full time in your business. So if that was helpful, please just leave a like, subscribe, comment below if it was helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below so I can help you. I'm interested in just showing you everything that I've done. I want to help you as much as possible. I want to help you to go full time and help your business succeed. So thanks for watching.